Hi friends, welcome to a GX Graphics. Today you can see how to design a menu bar for an app in Figma. In this video you will see Figma prototyping and component creating, as well as important features required in Figma as we design the menu bar. Okay, let's go to the video. First, we need to select the icons to design a menu bar for an app. For that, I have selected the necessary icons. Then change the names of their frames and bring their sizes to the same level. Now, let's bring these icons to the same level. For that, select the Align Vertical Center option under Position. Okay, let's now make the distances of these icons equal. Under Position, select the More action at the end and give it a tidy up. You can now see how their distances are equal. Okay, let's move on to the next step. You will see that we can now change the length so that they are evenly spaced. Now, select all these icons and give them the Create Component Set option. Okay, now let's design the menu bar. We have 4 icons for this app. For that, we need to create 4 different menu bars to animate them on the same screen. For that, I will take the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle the size of the menu bar, and then set its corner radius to the desired size. Okay, I'll decorate this rectangle as I see fit, using a premium color. To create these 4 rectangles, I'll hold down the Alt key, right-click on the mouse cursor, and drag it down. Now press Ctrl+D. You can drag as many rectangles down as you want, but since we only need 2 more rectangles, I'll just click on it twice. As you can see in the video, select each of these rectangles as a frame. Now we need to give each of those frames a name. I will type the first rectangle as Home 1, the second as Message 2, the third as Cart 3, and the last rectangle as Profile 4. Now copy the icon you just created and paste it into the first rectangle. I use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V as shortcut keys for this. I'm going to copy another icon now. As you progress through the video, you'll see why I copied it. There is an error in the message icon. We will continue to create it. It seems that the message icon is not centered in the compound box. Let's use the auto layout mode to fix it. Let's move these icons to the same layer and change their color. I'm changing these icons to white because they look good against this colored background. Now, as shown in the video, select the icons in the order we gave them under the Property 1 section. Now paste this icon into each rectangle. Now you can see why I said to get 5 icons. Delete the message icon next to the home icon. Now take the text tool and type home. Select the frame tool. Create a rectangle again and create it as shown in the video. Now let's make it clear and beautiful. Okay, let's make the other rectangle the same way. Now I'm going to name each selected icon as I did before. I'm going to name the message icon as Message and the others as Cart and Profile. Now, select all of these and give the Create Component Set option. We are now halfway done with this design. Now we just need to animate this menu bar. Let's move on to the next part. Create 4 frames in phone size as mentioned in the video. Now name those frames as shown. All you have to do now is copy and paste the menu bar corresponding to them correctly. Now, click on the prototype option and do as mentioned in the video. Okay, done. You can see the menu bar. Design is animating slowly if you want more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Like, share. See you again in the next video. Now, click on the prototype option and do as mentioned in the video.